Why did the school board president push for an investigation? The driving force behind the school board president's push was intense public outrage. Parents and community members voiced deep concerns about grooming allegations linked to school environments. They demanded transparency and swift action to protect students, forcing leadership to respond decisively. Beyond public pressure, the president recognized the need for accountability. There were failures in oversight and delayed responses to warning signs. By calling for an investigation, the president aimed to ensure that those responsible for protecting children were held accountable and that preventative measures would improve. Trust between families and the school system had eroded due to the scandal. The investigation was a crucial step to restore confidence by showing that the board took the allegations seriously and was committed to safeguarding students. Transparency and accountability were central to this effort. Legal experts warned of potential liabilities if the allegations were ignored or mishandled. Ethical concerns also played a role in the president's decision. Acting early with an investigation helped mitigate legal risks and demonstrated a commitment to ethical governance. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.